Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting, shopping, decor and makeovers. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you're having a lovely Christmas holiday. I know I'm getting the chance to do a bit of crafting and sorting in the dollhouse. So today I'm going to share with you my Christmas tour of my new dollhouse. I got this dollhouse this year, so this is my first Christmas do up in this new house, and I've renovated the whole house so it's ready for a Christmas do-over. This little tin here, so Marks and Spencer's tin that I use for decoration, but I also use it to store all my dollhouse Christmas stuff. So this is stuff that I used in my old dollhouse, and I'm going to have a look through, see what I've got and what I might use in the new one, because you know there's no point making new stuff if you've got stuff that's already decent, and then obviously I can make anything new that needs to be done or rearrange it in a different way and maybe add some other bits to it as well. So I mean, here's a cake on a cake stand, which obviously the stand I'll just take off. May still be able to use the cake. Got my candy canes and my towels and things, they'll be reusable. So let's see what else I've got. So I've looked in my Christmas crafting box and found out some embellishments that I thought I would add on to the front of the house. So I've got all these little berries, and this was a wine glass decoration. I thought, well, that might look nice hanging on the downstairs window. And I've got another one, and this is my wreath from last year. I think I'm going to add some bits to that to make it a bit more exciting, so I'll put some more berries on it, and then this other hanging decoration can go on the other window for a bit of symmetrical pattern. And as I say, I've got the branches up on the upstairs. I've got this little bit of foliage here. I'm thinking I could actually have two pots either side of the door like I have in my real house. Always take inspiration from a real house, or possibly a Christmas tree. But I'm thinking what I might do is attach them to the front of the house so I can still open the door on the house and the pots don't get knocked off. So that's what I think I might try there. So that would be that would stick out too much, the Christmas trees, I think. So I might go with the foliage and maybe get some bottle tops or something, some lids, which is always a great thing for plants. So here we are so far then. So I've got the boughs of berries and leaves on the top floor. I've added pine cone and some berries to my wreath, and then I've got my pot, stuffed some tissue paper in and put those two conifers, and then I've also put my hanging decorations on the windows and then covered the tops with a little bit of holly. So I definitely think this is looking pretty good. I might add some other things on and it all opens, as you can see, so that's a brilliant idea. And I might add some stuff on the upstairs as well. Why not go big for Christmas? So let's head inside and see what I've done. So on the other side of the front door, I've got my lovely Stay Cozy wreath. And then hanging up, I've took my umbrella away and replaced it with a candy cane. And then I've got a lovely little stand with a Christmas tree ornament on. And then I've got my Nordic house, which I've added a little ribbon to, and I've put it on top of two winter books. And then in the window there, I have this lovely plastic acrylic Christmas tree. So that's looking pretty cute. So moving into the living room, I have got a lovely scene. I think it's super cozy. And I've got my Christmas tree, which is just a big brush tree. And I've put some beads on it, so they look like baubles. I've got a lovely cozy rug down there as well. I've got a nice winter picture behind it as well. And then all around the tree, I've got my little presents that I've made. And then over on the back wall, I've got a little standing reindeer and a lovely picture, which is actually just an old Christmas card. And there's a little reindeer there. And then on the coffee table, I have got a lovely snow globe, which is just a tiny little bauble, my Christmas mugs, another one of those acrylic trees, and a little post box. And then on the settee, I've got a throw and some snowflake cushions, another cozy throw that's usually there, and then a little sledge footstool with another throw on it and a Christmas Carol book. And then the lovely rug, I think. Again, there's a lot there, but I think it's really cosy, really Christmassy, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. So at the partition between the kitchen and the living room, I've got these two lovely wooden Christmas trees, and the bird is there, you know, all the time, but he's white, so he works for winter. And then let's head into the kitchen and have a look what I've done in there. So I have got a little red rug by the sink. I've got my Farm Fresh Christmas tree from Artwork. I've put a big Christmas tree in there in a pot up the corner, and then I've laid the table for Christmas with these lovely Christmas mats with a lovely centrepiece of a tree. And then I have kept my Christmas cake over there. I've took my quiche away and replaced it with a Christmas cake. So I haven't done too much in the kitchen, but I think it's enough. It adds that Christmassy touch. And I also do have all my goodies there, my champagne and all my drinks and things ready for the Christmas period. And I've also put one of those acrylic plastic trees on the windowsill in the kitchen and also on the windowsill for the living room. So it just adds that consistency. Because I think when you have decoration, you sort of repeat things, it brings it all together in a nice cohesive way. So onto the upstairs then, and I have this lovely winter scene with a Merry Christmas bird in my bedroom on the inside wall. And then, as you can see, another cosy, lovely room. I've got this little boot ornament down here with another little sledge with a little tree on. It's a nice little decoration. Then I've got my winter scarf and a candy cane hanging up on the hook. And then I've got another one of those Merry Christmas signs over there on my bookcase, and a lovely little cardinal in the winter woods. I've just put that over my other picture. And then up the corner, I've got the Chronicles of Narnia to read on the bedside table, my lovely Christmas cushions. And then I've just added some Christmas ribbon and bedding, a throw to the bed. And then I've put a little Christmas tree on the other side table and a lovely festive rug. So I just think, again, lots of little touches, but looks great. So in the bathroom, I've actually added some curtains for modesty. So some net curtains on both the windows. So it keeps it a bit private. And then I have added my Christmas touches. So I have another one of those acrylic Christmas trees. Then I have my rug and a nice little container for my toilet rolls, which is festive looking. And then on the toilet, I've got a lovely barn in the snow. And then I've got my towels and a nice little towel, extra towels there in a basket by the shower. And a nice little Christmas tree on a stand in the corner. So again, more festive touches, makes it great for the season. So onto the roof terrace. Again, it has been Christmas up. I've got a little light going, a Nordic house with some greenery and florals in it, and then a few Christmas trees, different colours. Got another one of those wooden trees on my table. Then I've got some lovely hanging ornaments, and then a whole row of Christmas trees on the back with a pot with some spruce in. Got a lovely red rug. Again, another little tree, and then some cones in some planters. Some more ornament decorations. A lovely piece of outdoor artwork. Nice cosy throw on the seating and a cushion. Lovely little Santa hat to put on to keep you warm while you're out, and a snowflake cushion. And I think, again, all those festive touches have come together to make a really lovely winter Christmas area. Have the fire on, get the chestnuts roasting, have some mulled wine. Oh, my dolls could live the dream. So, as always, I have had lots of fun decorating my dollhouse for Christmas. I think I have gone, sometimes I think, I've gone too over the top. But then, as I always say, you can never do too much. So I think it's cosy, it's very festive, and I'm really pleased with how it's all gone. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the Christmas tour of my new Dollhouse 2023, and look forward next year for me to do some remodeling in here. I've already got some ideas for how I'm going to change the Dollhouse, so stay tuned next year in 2024 for some more exciting Dollhouse makeovers. So, as always, thank you very much for watching. If you have subscribed, thank you very much. If you haven't, please consider doing so. Give me a like, drop me a comment, because I do love to hear from you. So, until next week, take care. Bye-bye.